Morning all, really wanted to do a walk around on this 2006 Mini before I get stuck in, just to show you quite how bad it is. So 2006, apparently done 55,000 miles and is definitely in need of some love. The biggest job I've been asked to try and sort is the roof. I've seen them bad, but this is definitely next level. When was the last time you saw plants growing? You need to be really careful around this back because the actual rubber's perished. So yeah, steady as she goes around this one. We can make some fantastic after shots, that's for sure. Just have a quick look in here, see how bad we are. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, all edges, gaps, the roof, everywhere. Right, time to get stuck in, see how much of a transformation we can make.